At last, after 1 year or so, it seems that AI is maturing. When you look at the tools like Kindo, you get that feeling. Kindo is a tool which is one of its kind, or rather, should I say, platform. Kindo is the way to safely adopt and manage AI across your entire workforce. Pay only once for AI access from anywhere in one interface. It supports any AI model, whether it's an open source, commercial, private, or whatever, fine tuned, instruction tuned, as well as it supports 200 plus SaaS integrations. Kindo keeps everything centralized and compliant. With enterprise level security, deploy both on premise or in the cloud, and you can take full control of your company's sensitive data, source code, and business processes. I'm based in Sydney, Australia, and whenever I talk with some of the industry peers who are working to deploy AI in their organization, these are the exact use cases and concerns they have. That they want to deploy the AI, they want to play around with open source models, they want to integrate their existing data sources, applications, APIs with some AI models or LLM tooling, but they don't know how to proceed with it. They have watched a lot of open source tools, they have watched a lot of YouTube videos like mine, and they know that this can be done, but can it be done securely? What if they just throw their data to some large language model through an API call? So what happens with the data governance there? What happens to the data privacy and security? So these are the concerns which are handled by Kindo in a very nice way. In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick short demo and overview of Kindo. So let's get started, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description, which is very simple, which is kindo.ai. You can sign up for free at their website, and of course you can get a limited trial for a limited period of time, and the access is restricted, which I have. So once you log in, you'll be asked few of the questions around your use case and other stuff. Let me make it slightly bigger so that you would be able to see it. I think one thing they could really do here is to make the interface a bit more brighter, because if you look at these colors, these are a bit dull. Anyway, so you can take a quick tour, and you can see that you can chat with your uploaded document, you can quickly find answers, and you can streamline repetitive tasks. So you can either take a quick tour here. So this is once you log in, you see a very fine interface, and this is what I really like about Kindo, that the apart from colors, the rest of the interface is simply amazing, very easy on eyes, very easy to use, which is really the thing here. If you look on the left hand side, you can start a new chat, you can create an agent, you can have a lot of libraries for integration and stuff, and then security tab, and we'll go through it one by one. Now if you look at this screen, this is a chat option. You can use GPT-4 Turbo, or when you click on this drop down, there are a lot of other models. For example, you have Llama 3's, Cloud 3 Opus, and then Mixtral, and this White Rabbit Neo, which I already have covered on. I think this is by Tessera Tess Miguel, who has done a fine job with this fine-tuned one. Okay, so you can of course chat with it. So let me ask it how much is enough. Let's press enter. There you go. I haven't paid for any API call, so really generous of Kindo to give me this access for free, and you can get it too. I haven't really interacted with them, so it is available for anyone. And there you go. So look at the answer. The question how much is enough is deeply philosophical and can be applied to various aspects of, and it is telling us about financial security, comfortable living, wealth accumulation, and all that stuff. So amazing stuff. I'm not going to read all of it, but of course you know that this is amazing response, and you can ask the same from any other model if you like. And here there's a toggle button, it says search library. So let's click on library on the left hand side. One thing I found out that when you hover over it, library, you can't do anything, but you can only click on this icon. So I think it will be good to also make this library clickable, just a usability thing. So here these are a lot of agents which are already there. So for coaching and HR, general, content creation, and then you can, for example, AI sentence, greater writing assistant. Maybe let's click on this one. And this was created 4 months ago. Maybe just let's see if we can update it now, the recent one. So maybe analyze survey responses. I'm just looking for the one which I could properly easily show you. So let's see this freelance one. So you see, there you go. So as soon as I have clicked on this agent, there is a, it has populated it, and you can simply ask a follow-up. First let's send it, and then we will ask the follow-up question. There you go. There is output text and lot of other stuff. It is just, maybe I don't know what went wrong there, but anyway, so look at this one. This is really good. There you go. So it says Gemini 1.5 Pro, and then here it shows GPT-4 Turbo. So maybe it is not using this one. This is using Gemini 1.5 Pro at the backend, and this was flagged by the Google. I guess that is why that error. But anyway, we can see that this is how this agent workflow works, and then of course you can ask follow-up questions, and then you can edit the agent. You can even restart it. If and you can even create your own. So let me click on create agent, and here you can just simply say Oracle agent. Let's save it, and then it says access Oracle database. If you click here, you can change it, and then you can click on this plus sign, say analyze my Oracle database schema, and save it. And then if I click on edit, you can just select on user input from here. You can give some sort of input, and you can do a lot of things, of course. And then you can upload your file from here. Click on file, and then you can upload file from here. You can upload from YouTube. If I click here, for example, and if I give it some Oracle documentation, this is a free Oracle documentation from their website, from a very old Oracle 11G database. You can upload this one, and then you can select it and click on add file. So your file has been added, and then you can simply, where do I save it, or is it already saved? Oracle documentation, and press enter, and now you can save it. There you go, and you can run it, and there you go. So access Oracle database agent is this, and can I ask follow? You can just click on send. There you go. It is just checking it documentation and telling me all the stuff from it. This time there is no error, which is good. Awesome stuff. You can copy it, and then this is the Oracle documentation. Amazing stuff. Now if I click on security on the left hand side, this feature is disabled for the freeloaders like me, so I'm not going, won't be able to check it out. But you can see it is quite good. You can see the DLP filters, and then you can, and DLP is, by the way, data loss prevention, which you can just switch it on, and you can create your own DLP config. There are fair bit of standards out there which you can use, and there are a lot of providers there. I'm just checking if their AWS is there or not. I don't see AWS. Okay, that is fine. Titan's model are not there, but there is still a free bit of choice if you like. Amazing stuff. And you see this is the filters here for PII information and all that stuff. Amazing. And then of course there are some settings which you can play around. Great stuff. And these are the available models. These are the integration, and that is what I was looking for. You can create an API key, and then you can access it through code. Amazing stuff. So you can see that it is quite easy, and lot of punch they have packed in this easy interface. Really impressed by it. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.